In this video, we're going to look at dividing decimals, and I've got some place value counters to help you understand what's going on. And actually what we're doing is not that complicated, it's just using the same method I've taught you before. I'm going to use the English method for doing this, but it translates to using the Spanish method as well, so whichever you're more comfortable with. So my first question says 6.63 divided by 3. So I've got 6.63. 6 units, 6 tenths, and 3 hundredths. And here I've got the written equation. So I'm dividing it by 3. So let's do it with my units first. I'm going to share these out between 3. Let's share them equally, and they do divide equally, so it's 2 in each group. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the tenths. Sharing them out equally. And again, they share equally, and I have 2 tenths in each one. So I've got to make sure I put the decimal point in, and it's 2 tenths. If I hadn't put that decimal point, it's 22, and we're not looking at 22, it's 2.2. Finally, I have to share my 3 hundredths. Share these out, and I can share them out equally without a remainder, and so it's 1/100th in there. So the answer is 2.21, and you can see 2.21. Now that was quite a simple one because I didn't have to do any regrouping. In this next one, I'm going to have to do some regrouping. I have 5.32 divided by 4. So I've got 3 of these tenths, you can see they're tenths, and then 2 of these hundredths. So 5 units divided between 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have this one left. I can't divide that equally, so I have to regroup this for 10 hundredths, for 10 tenths. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my 10. And so now I have 10 and 3, so I have that 13. What does that mean here? What did I do here? I had 1, and then I had to regroup 1, and so now I have 13 here. Now I have to divide the 13 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now I've got up to 12. There's 3 in each one, but I have 1 left over. So I'm going to have to regroup this tenth for 10 hundredths. Got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, borrow one of these, and 10. And so now I have 12. What does that mean over here? Well, I had 13 divided by 4, and that meant I had 3 in each one. And I regrouped that 1 that was remaining, and I have 12. So now I have to divide this 12. 1, 2, I'm sharing them out equally, remember? 3, 3, 3, and 3. I've shared them out, and I have 3 in each one with no remainders. So if we look at it, I have 1.33. So in this one, I had to do remainders, but the same method applies each time we're using regrouping. In this video, we've shown you how to divide decimals using place value counters and the written method.